Hey guys, we're going to one of the most famous attractions in Liloy, Zamboanga del Norte, which is the Rock Dive In. And here are some of the short clips of our adventure guys. By the way, gikan dahil may og sindangan, so medyo layo-layo yun ang among biyahe padulong og Liloy. Naabot namin sa Liloy guys, and nakakita namin may gasoline station, so we decided nga magpagasolina kay medyo layo-layo yun ang among gigikanan. Naabot dahil may og Liloy guys, nga wala ka dumdumong asa lapit ang Rock Dive In. Naabot na may ani sa Rock Dive In guys, and we were shocked because barato ra kayo na entrance fee. 20 pesos for adults and 10 pesos for children. Nag-start na may naglibot-libot guys, and we were very amazed sa view. So I will tour you guys sa Rock Dive In Liloy, Zamboanga del Norte, Philippines. If mag-photoshoot mo diri guys, expect yun mo sa beautiful outcome kay very picturesque yun ang view dili gyud. Medyo nahadlok po dahil may ani that time guys, kay kuso kay ang hangin and dagko kay ang balod. But we conquer our fear guys, para lang yun makapapicture me, kay para nami remembrance there is sa Rock Dive In. Sulit na jud kayo yung 20 pesos guys, so what are you waiting for? Come and visit Rock Dive In Liloy, Zamboanga del Norte, Philippines. Kung doon mo dili, ali na mo. Bye guys!